In this beaker, I have distilled water, which provides a clean base. I've also added glycerin and propanediol, which act as dual humectants for hydration. In addition, aloe vera juice, which adds soothing and antioxidant benefits. And lastly, panthenol, which repairs and calms the skin barrier. Together, they create a lotion that is hydrating, soothing, and pump-friendly, perfect for post-wash care. In this beaker, I have avocado oil because it's stable, conditioning, and adds richness without greasiness. Cocoa and avocado butters for their creamy, protective, indulgent feel. Cocoa caprate for its silky slip and fast absorption. Equimulse, which is a natural emulsifier added for its stability and creamy texture. I'm heating both beakers using the double boiler method to melt the oils and to heat the water. Both phases should reach the same temperature. This balance is what allows your emulsion to form beautifully. Okay, our oils have melted and our water is heated. Let's check the temperature. Both phases are at the same temperature. Now let's combine. I'm pouring my water phase into my oil phase. I don't think it matters which way you do it. I prefer this way because less mess. Using our stick blender, let's turn these two phases into one smooth, cohesive product. The emulsifier has allowed the water and the oils to combine. And there you have it, guys. We've got lotion. I'm going to set this aside and wait for it to cool down to at least 120 degrees Fahrenheit or below so that I can start adding my additives. I will be stirring intermittently. We're all cooled down and ready to add our additives. Let's talk about them. First up, hydrolyzed oats. Hydrolyzed oats deliver deep hydration and soothing comfort. They help strengthen the skin's natural barrier, reduce irritation, and leave the complexion feeling soft and supple. Next, let's add our vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects against environmental stressors. It nourishes and conditions the skin, supporting elasticity while promoting a healthy, radiant glow. And finally, Liquid Journal Plus. It's a gentle preservative blend that safeguards your product's freshness. It helps maintain stability and extends shelf life, ensuring every use is safe, effective, and worry-free. Did I say the preservative was last? What about the fragrance oil? Candied ginger. Yum, yum, yum. This smells so good, guys. It's that pungent smell of ginger with a little bit of lime and zest. It's got that peppery odor that we love when we're eating candied ginger. You know, the little snacks that you get. wonderful. It smells really great. Let's stir to make sure everything is well incorporated. And now for the pour. And there you have it. I'm going to allow this to completely cool before adding the pump. And here's the final product. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And from my family to yours, I hope you have a happy and joyful holiday.